teacher for today. Good morning, class. Before we start our lesson today, let us take a moment to center ourselves and begin our day with a sense of gratitude and reflection. So may I request Marvin to lead the prayer? So let's bow our head. Amen. Thank you, Marvin. Before we delve into our lesson today, I'd like you to know the importance of clean and organized learning environment. So before you take your seat, please pick up the piece of trash and arrange your chairs. Okay, thank you. Okay, class, you may now take your seats. So, may I know who is absent today? Very good. We have all perfect attendance. Last meeting, I told you to research about set theory. Do you gather some information? Okay, very good. So, before we start the lesson, I have an activity here. So, the title of this activity is What Do You Think of Me? So, do you think what is in the picture? So, anybody? Yes, Trisha. Yes, it is. Anyone else? Yes, Nelly? Correct. Nothing else? Yes, Marvin? Very good. So, all of your guesses are correct. It is a set or a group. So, before we proceed to our lesson, I have another activity to exercise your mind. So, the title of our activity is Ben Venture. So, what you're going to have to do is to arrange all these items according to its set. So, example is set of things can be worn or things can be played. So, I give you 5 minutes to answer this, or you can go on the board to answer. So, very good. You done it well. So, you arrange the things according to your set. Like the set of things can be worn in set A, and in set B is things that can eat. So, and the last, the set C, the things can play. So, very good. Please clap all your hands. So, our lesson for today is all about the set theory. So, if you gather some information about set theory, then you have a background or an idea about this lesson. So, let's proceed to set. So, what is set? So, Kate, yes? Yes, correct. It is also a group. So, the definition of set is, a set is a well-defined collection of objects called the elements or the member of sets. So, a set can be defined into 2 ways. So, kindly read the first one. Yes, Jason? Thank you. So, the second one. Yes, me? Okay, thank you. So, another one is, if X is an element of A, it can be written as X is an element of A. And if X is not an element of A, then it can be written as X is not element of A. So we have here an examples. Example, A is a set of even numbers, B is a set of odd numbers, and C is a set of counting numbers. So I have a question here. So 2 is element or not element of A. Yes, there is. So, very good. It is an element of A. Because according to the given, A is the set of even numbers and 2 is the even numbers. So, 3 is element or not element of B. Anybody? Yes, right? So, correct. It is element. Because 3 is also a odd number. So, next step, proceed to 5 is element or not element of C. Yes, Arnold. So, very good. 5 is element of C because C is counting numbers and 5 is counting numbers. So, 8 is element or not element of B. Emily. Yes, correct. It is not element because B says it is a set of odd numbers and 8 is not a odd numbers. So next is 5 is element or not element of A. Yes, Trixie. Correct. It is not an element of A because A is the set of even numbers and 5 is a odd numbers. So last, negative 2 is element or not element of C? Yes, Kevin. So very good. It is not element because negative 2 is not a counting number. So a set can be named using a capital letters like A, B, C, and so on. So and we use the braces to the group of the element of a set separated by commas. Set contains many elements. We often use three dots called the ellipses. Okay, let's proceed to our next topic. The subsets, the universal set, null set, and cardinality of set. So let's proceed to universal set. The universal set U is the set that contains all objects under consideration. Example, set U contains the set of whole number, like U is equal to the quantity of 1, 2, 3, and so on. So number 2 is the set of all letters in English alphabet. So U is equals to the quantity of A, B, C, and so on. The last one is the set Q contains the set of days in a week. Like U is equals to the quantity of Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and so on. So let's move on to subset. So, given only two sets A and B, if every element in A is also an element in B, then A is a subset of B. This is the symbol of subset, and you can read it, A is a subset of B. So, reminder, every set is subset of itself, and empty set is also a subset of every set. So let's proceed to example. So R is equal to the set of 1 and 2. So these are the possible subsets. In two elements, we can combine 1 and 2. In one element, we can the set of 1 or the set of 2. And in zero element is empty or null set. Next example is the set of red, blue, and yellow. So in three elements, we can combine red, blue, and yellow. In two elements, we can combine red and blue, red and yellow, and blue and yellow. So let's proceed to null set. So a set with no element of one empty set or null set. So the symbol for empty set is like this or like this. So example, the set T is the set of counting numbers between 1 and 2. So T is empty set or T is equal to null set. Next is set of O is the set of months with 35 days. So O is null set or empty set. Set of P is the set of crying trees. So P is null set or P is empty set. We can say it is an empty or null set because it is not well defined or it cannot be determined. Let's move on to the cardinality of set. So the cardinal number of a set A, denoted by this symbol, is the number of elements in set A. Thus, in A is equal to the set of 1, 3, 5, and 7, the cardinal set of A is 4. So, because set A contains 4 elements. So, let's have an example. The set D is the vowels of English alphabets. So, how many vowels we have in alphabet? 2. So, we're gonna have to do is to list all the vowels in English alphabet. So D is equals to the set of A, E, I, O, and Q. So in the set of D, we have 5 elements. So last is set K, the set of counting numbers less than 5. So what are the counting numbers less than 5? We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we have 4 elements, and the cardinality of set K is 4. So to test your knowledge if you really learn in the lesson, I have an activity here. So get one half sheet of paper and please answer the following questions. This is recorded as your performance test. So are you done? So if you're done, so please pass your paper. So before we end our lesson for today, so I prepared a game for you. So who are excited? So before that, please count 1 to 4. If you're done counting, please pull a line and go to your respective group. Please listen carefully. So here are the mechanics. So we have the station 1, the sets, and the station 2 is the subsets, universal set, null set, and the cardinality of set. So you're going to have to do is each of you will perform each problem. So set one member to be verified your answer if correct or wrong. So the first to finish is the winner. So are you ready? So okay, let's begin. So we have the winner. It is the group 3. Clap your hands for you everybody. So I hope you enjoy, you learn, and understand the lesson. That's all for today. Thank you.